Found in the year 1950, Master Plannery is an engineering, manufacturing, consulting and construction firm well versed in providing end-to-end construction solution. Master Plannery also has 8 manufacturing sister concerns pioneering in precast concrete. We have delivered many innovative products to the society, one of them being concrete. Concrete is an alternate for wood in concrete, having better stability, durability and strength. It is economical and also eco-friendly. Concrete is very versatile and our customers get the option to integrate wood, steel, fiber, UPVC with concrete. Products such as doors and window frames, tulsi pot, flower pots, park benches, compound walls, etc. are manufactured. Since we have all these being manufactured in-house, the combination is efficient, seamless and beautiful. We believe that our employees are our strength, and to facilitate employees, our in-house canteen provides meals 3 times a day with free midday meal and 2 meals at subsidized rates. We have set up a play school and daycare for our workers' children, provide pick-up and drop to school facilities, give them books and uniform to promote education. In addition to providing nutrition for all, education to children, these measures also promote women to work. We are proud of the fact that women make up to 40% of our workforce. Free accommodation facilities are also available for all employees. All the above facilities are provided at all our 8 manufacturing sites, which employs up to 100 workers at each site. We have undertaken rural development initiatives by setting up facilities at underdeveloped rural regions, providing employment and empowerment to the people of the respective region. Having employees of over 3 generations, Master Plannery Group is a family of over 800 employees with 8 manufacturing units located in Puttur, Beltangadi, Kadaba, Bantwal taluks in Dakshin Kannada district and in Udupi district. We strive to expand to grow and expand our family across the state of Karnataka.